Good day, everyone. I am Stephanie Bacasmot, currently connected at LGU Salay. I am currently studying at Lourdes College, taking my master's degree of business administration. Today, I would like to present my research title, The Influence of Organizational Culture, Job Satisfaction, and Career Development Opportunities on Organizational Commitment. This study aimed to determine of what employees remain committed to their work in a local government unit in Misamis Oriental by examining organizational culture, job satisfaction, and career development opportunities. The research gaps limited body of literature that there is limited research on how organizational culture, job satisfaction, and career development influence employee commitment in Misamis Oriental LGUs. The study also aligns with two key Sustainable Development Goals, or the SDGs. First, SDG 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth, by promoting inclusive, productive employment and supportive employee well-being through organizational strategies, and SDG 13, Climate Action, since empowered and committed personnel are crucial in implementing and sustaining local climate initiatives and environmental programs. Next is the schematic of the study, where the independent variables are organizational culture with sub-variables, environmental practices and innovation, then job satisfaction and career development opportunities. Then the dependent variables is organizational commitment. The study is anchored on the Social Cognitive Career Theory, or ECCT, by Lent et al. 2013, and Career Construction Theory by Mark Savecas 2013. Next is the statement of the problem. It will examine to answer the following questions. First problem, what is the participants' assessment of the organizational culture of local government unit in Misamis Oriental, considering environmental practices and innovation? Second problem, what is the participants' level of job satisfaction? Third problem, what are the career opportunities received by the participants? Fourth problem, what is the participants' assessment on their organizational commitment? And the fifth problem, do the participants' assessment of the organizational culture, career development opportunities, and their job satisfaction significantly influence their organizational commitment? Next is the research methods. It is used a quantitative approach with a descriptive correlational research design to examine the relationship between organizational culture, job satisfaction, career development opportunities, and organizational commitment among employees in a local government unit in Misamis Oriental. We have 150 participants composed of regulars and job orders. Then the descriptive statistics, mean standard deviation, and frequency distribution were used to summarize and describe the data, and regression analysis was employed, and significance level was set at the alpha level of zero point 0.5. Next is the Table 1, Summary Table of Organizational Culture. For environmental practices, with the mean score of 4.4, then the interpretation is high, then the standard deviation is 0.67, and for innovation, with the mean score of 4, with the interpretation is high, then the standard deviation of 0.70, and for organizational culture, with the mean score of 4.2, then the interpretation is high, then the standard deviation of 0.65. This means that while the majority of respondents share a positive view of this dimension. Next is the table 2 of job satisfaction with the mean score of 4.27, and the interpretation is high, and the standard deviation of 0.58. These results highlights a supportive workplace culture that foster favorable employee experiences. Next is the table 3, career development opportunities with a mean score of 4.28. And then the interpretation is high, and then is standard deviation is 0.65. The table reveals that most respondents perceive career development as the strength within the organization. Next is the table 4, organizational commitment, with the mean score of 4.36, and then the interpretation is high, and then the standard deviation is 0.58. So this table reveals that factors like organizational culture, job satisfaction, and career development positively impact commitment. Through the presence of moderate commitment indicates room for improvement, especially in career growth, opportunities, and workplace conditions. Next is the table 5, regression analysis on the influence of the participants' assessment of the organizational culture, career development opportunities, and their job satisfaction and their organizational commitment. The regression model shows that the whole model is significant f is equals to 42.22, then p is less than 0.01, so the null hypothesis is rejected. This means that organizational culture, career development opportunities, and job satisfaction significantly affect organizational commitment. Next is the findings. These results of the study conducted to assess the organizational culture, job satisfaction, career development opportunities, and organizational commitment among employees of a local government unit in Misamis Oriental. First findings, the overall findings on organizational culture showed that employees actively participated in environmental practices and valued organizations' effort, both rated as high. For innovation, also rated high, reflecting workplace supportive of new ideas and continuous improvement. Second findings, job satisfaction was high, suggesting that employees had felt content and engaged in their work due to favorable work conditions, wages, and overall job involvement. Third findings, career development opportunities were also rated as high. Employees had appreciated the organization's efforts in providing training and career advancement opportunities. Fourth, organizational commitment was high, demonstrating that employees had a strong sense of loyalty and dedication to the organization. Fifth, the regression analysis confirmed that when combined organizational culture, career development opportunities, and job satisfaction contributed to the variability of participants' organizational commitment. Taken individually, career development opportunities came out as a significant predictor. The organizational commitment has the greatest influence, followed by the job satisfaction. These findings highlighted the critical role of work culture, career growth, and job satisfaction in strengthening employee commitment. Next is recommendations. Based on the answers and outcomes of this research, the following recommendations are provided. First, recommendations: local government unit help local government unit understand the key factors that contribute to employee dedication, which is essential for retaining skilled workers and ensuring smooth organizational operations. Second is human resource managers. Human resource managers can develop strategic plans and programs to enhance positive workplace culture, job satisfaction, and career growth. Then, recognizing the importance of organizational culture, job satisfaction, and occupation growth can help strengthen employee commitment, which is important for advanced retention and improve overall performance. Third, public sector's employees. Local government unit can implement policies to support career growth and job satisfaction, leading to a more motivated and dedicated workforce. First. Fourth, future researchers and scholars. can serve as valuable reference materials for future research on job satisfaction, organizational commitment, and career development opportunities. Then researchers can use this result to explore related issues, comparing findings, or expand the study framework in different workplace settings. Next, the public sector in Misamis Oriental, addressing specific challenges faced by government employees in Misamis Oriental, can lead to improved human resource management practices, then strengthening career development initiatives and employee satisfactions programs can enhance workforce retention and overall job fulfillment. Next is the public sector in Misamis Oriental, addressing specific challenges faced by government employees in Misamis Oriental can lead to improved human resource management practices. Then strengthening career development initiatives and employee satisfaction programs can enhance workforce retention and overall job fulfillment. So here's my references and thank you for listening.